There's 2 not so secret, not so sexy steps that will, in the end, lead you to getting whatever you want in life. These 2 steps alone will allow you to earn any amount of money you want to earn, to have whatever you want to have, to become whoever you decide to become. The first is you must work on yourself every single day. The second is you must take action with absolute commitment to see it through until you get the result. To take action with a true commitment for mastery. Try things. Find a way. Never give up.
The only thing that matters is you become better. You do that by working on yourself. You do that by taking consistent action.
So many people are seeking advice on how to get from this impossible situation, their words, to a place of success. They want to know their purpose. They say they can't focus on their work or studies. They say they procrastinate all the time. They say everyone in their family doubts them. But the problem with most of these people is that no matter what response they get, they're just waiting to fire off an excuse about why they can't do it. They're so good at excuses that every solution has a problem attached to it. They have excuses so deeply conditioned that no matter what blueprint you give, there's a but on the end of it. They live their entire life in the "this is why I can't" mentality. You could say, "I'll wire $1 million into your bank account, just send your details." And they would come up with an excuse about why they can't find their bank details. You might think that's an exaggeration, but $1 million is nothing. The advice that is readily available all over the internet for free is worth much more than $1 million if you apply it. What these people really want is the magic wand, and if they don't get it, they have an excuse ready.
Seriously, what is it going to take? What is it going to take? What is it going to take to get through to you? What is it going to take for you to change?
What is it going to take?
Work on yourself. That is all that matters.
You don't know your purpose? Work on yourself. Then eventually your purpose will be revealed. As you grow, you will figure it out. As you take action and try new things, you will figure it out. It's not life or death for you to figure out your grand life purpose yet. What is important is that you continually grow and develop yourself. You do that through reading and listening to self-development material every single day. Yes, every day. Get off social media and grow yourself, your skills, your mindset.
Work on yourself. It is all that matters. Take action. Get in the game. Figure out what works and what doesn't.
Everyone doubts you? Work on yourself. Once you grow as a person, once you develop your mindset, you understand that other people's opinions don't count. Silence them with your results. You can't focus? You procrastinate? Work on yourself. Once you develop yourself, once you take action, once you try new things, you will then figure out what really matters to you, what you really want to do, what is really important to you. And once you know that, once you know your purpose and your reason why you must, you won't have a problem focusing. You won't have a procrastination problem. Because what procrastination really means is, it's not important enough to me. Take action. Try things. Whatever you love doing, try that. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you learn. Whatever the case, make your daily self-work a priority. Work on yourself. It is all that matters.
Listen here and listen closely, because this is all you need to achieve whatever you want in life. If you truly want to make something of yourself, if you truly want to change or grow or be a success in your own mind, you must commit to work on yourself every single day. This is a lifestyle. It's not a gimmick or quick fix. There is no magic wand. You either want a great life or you're a talker. You either commit or waste everyone's time, including your own. Step up. Step up.
Make a commitment to be one of the few who are obsessed with growing, obsessed with getting better every day. Look, even if you figure out your purpose or come across some money or maybe get lucky, it will not last if you're not growing. This world is moving faster than any time in history. If you're not developing you, working on yourself daily, you will get left behind. Just try and find me an example of a truly successful person who doesn't do self-work daily. You can't. They don't exist. The magic wand does not exist. You want it, work on it. By yourself, for your future self. It's up to you. No one is going to give you the magic wand. If you want a great life, you do the daily work to create one. It's not sexy. It's not quick. It's not easy. It's just the truth.
What is it going to take? What is it going to take to get through to you? What is it going to take for you to change?